vocês, iniciando mais um vídeo pro canal. E no vídeo de hoje eu vou estar limpando a minha geladeira e o meu armário. Faz tempo que eu não limpo, então eu decidi limpar, porque como eu vou fazer compra pro mês agora, então tem que deixar limpo já, pra não ficar tanta coisa pra não fazer na hora. E aí depois é só eu pegar e guardar as compras. Então, espero que vocês gostem do vídeo. Pra você que é novo no canal, seja muito bem-vindo. E pra você que tá vendo os vídeos, mas não é inscrito, eu peço pra você se inscrever, ativar as notificações, deixar o like, comentar, compartilhar pra estar ajudando o canal. E é isso, gente. Então, bora lá pro vídeo.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. Eyes on my display. You say we need a change and feel that you mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, it's not like we need them.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. Best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me through. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.
Take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And last times. No matter what we do, and even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Feel uninvited. Left you home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch touch me no more? Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me.
Já limpei dentro do armário. Tá tudo limpinho, pra quando eu fizer compra já poder guardar. E ó, tudo limpo aqui dentro. Certinho já. Aqui em cima aproveitei também, tirei as coisas, mudei umas coisas de lugar, limpei. Aproveitei também para limpar essas partes do... que tem copo, taça. E aproveitei também para limpar a geladeira. Tava precisando limpar. Aproveitei e já limpei. Falar nisso, deixa eu trocar essas coisas aqui de lugar. Passar pra cá, que eu tinha tirado. Poder limpar. E tá tudo certinho também, limpado. Tá tudo limpinho já a geladeira. Bom, gente, o vídeo de hoje foi esse. Eu espero que vocês tenham gostado. Como vocês viram, eu limpei o armário, limpei a geladeira. E assim fica tudo mais fácil pra quando eu fizer compra já guardar as coisas. Não preciso ficar limpando pra depois eu guardar. Então, eu espero que vocês tenham gostado do vídeo. Pra você que é novo no canal, que seja muito bem-vindo. E pra você que tá vendo os vídeos, mas não é inscrito, eu peço pra você se inscrever, ativar as notificações, deixar o like, comentar, compartilhar, pra estar ajudando o canal. E é isso, gente. Muito obrigada por vocês terem assistido. Até a próxima. Tchau.